Where do I invest in cryptocurrencies? If you're new to the world of crypto, figuring where to buy cryptocurrencies can be confusing at first. This video will list some cryptocurrency exchange platforms where you can start investing in several cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Number 1. Coinbase. Coinbase is the most popular and one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges because you can invest directly with USD or your local currency. You can currently purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin and several other coins and tokens on the platform. You can download the Coinbase app on Android and iOS. Number 2. Binance. A great platform for getting into cryptocurrencies. It has one of the most robust trading platforms out there. You can download the Binance app on Play Store and iOS. Binance.us is the US version of the platform and has limited coins and tokens to invest in versus the international version of Binance. Number 3. Kraken. Kraken is a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2011 that is recommended for trading. Since its inception to the market, Kraken has become a leading exchange with a high reputation for ease of use, safety, and competitive pricing. The platform is suited for experienced crypto investors to make quick fiat deposits and withdrawals. Number 4. Crypto.com. The platform can be used to buy, sell, trade, spend, store, earn, loan cash, and even pay bills with crypto. Here you can see a list of other cryptocurrency exchanges platforms where you can start investing. As with any investment, make sure you consider your investment goals and current financial situation before investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency can be extremely volatile. A single tweet can make its price plummet, and it's still a very speculative investment. This means you should invest carefully and with caution.